Okay, I figured I'd take a brief intermission. I'll show you what I've done so far. Okay, right now I just took out the old spark plugs. Apparently they had NGKs in here, but they had the R's. They're not bad. Cool. Economical. Pulled out the wire harness. I took out the freaking cruise control. I don't really need that. I've never used cruise control ever. Except for once in a BMW, but there's a BMW. This is the old motor. Extra bolts. That's the old motor. Took out my NGKs. I call these the Iron Maidens. Gotta clean them. Should have took them off earlier, but got lazy. There goes the old axles. Went right through them. Let's see what else. Almost everything's scattered right now. The tire. There goes the old bumper. This is out of here. Toolbox. More crap. Old wires. It's looking good so far. Give it a couple more weeks. That's the end of that. No, here. Just so you know what motor it is. Make sure you can't even see that, can you? But zoom over. Nope. Can't even see that shit. That's hilarious. Well, now. Kind of. Probably look better on the computer. Yeah, close enough.